Slide layout. The slide layout is the arrangement of text, images, clip arts, charts, etc. on a particular slide. PowerPoint provides you with a variety of slide layouts that you can choose from as per your requirements. The slide layout gallery enables you to choose a layout for a slide. Some layouts hold only text, such as title slide, section header, and title-only layouts. Other layouts include a title and content placeholder, such as title and content, to content, comparison, and content with caption. PowerPoint 2016 includes 9 inbuilt slide layouts. You can also create custom layouts that meet your specific needs. Changing the slide layout. You can apply a different slide layout if you feel that the slide's original layout is not suitable. To change the slide layout, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the slide that you want to change. 2. Click on the Home tab. 3. Click on the Layout button. 4. Choose the desired slide layout.